Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 iron. This bike just arrived here with only 52 miles on the odometer. Naturally, it is in perfect showroom condition. Come on by and make your Sportster 1200 dreams come true. This awesome fuel-injected V-twin Harley, belt drive, 52 miles on the odometer. Really cool white paint scheme with those retro style graphics. Only $99.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.